back on. Oh, sorry. Hey guys, welcome to KEE'S and the fam. In case you don't know who I am Mother Cinnamon. No, Mama Cinnamon. Sister Cinnamon. Baby girl Cinnamon. Guys, today I am making my I almost said baked macaroni and cheese, but today I'm making my baked beans. Very simple recipe. We need to hurry up and do this recipe so that I can go to sleep. It's 12 o'clock at night. Let's get on to this video. Okay, so guys, I have 1/3 cup of brown sugar. I have about a cup. I'm guessing that that's about a cup of ground beef, but it was ground beef that I had left over from my spaghetti. I have mustard, open pit, thick and tangy. This is 7 pounds of baked beans. This is 4 tablespoons of butter. I have a half of onion. I have a half of bell pepper, and I have 2 slices of bacon. So we're going to put the bacon, the bell peppers, and the onions. I already have some bacon grease in there because I made my husband breakfast. So we're going to cook this bell pepper and this onion and these bacon bits, because that's what they're gonna be. So let's go over to the stove. Okay, so we're going to add our bacon. And remember, this is 2 slices of bacon. And to our bacon, we are adding our bell pepper. And we're adding our onion. And the baked bean actually have a bacon flavor to it. But you know, you want to bring more flavor to it because it's just a hint of bacon. We want all of those seasonings. So we're going to cook this together. I was trying to be funny. You didn't even pick, you didn't when Key do this.
Oh.
No, but we're gonna let this brown. And we're gonna bring you guys back because we're not gonna allow it to get crispy. We're just gonna let it make that awesome bacon grease. Oh yeah, and it smells so good. We have our oven set at 350, so we're gonna bring you guys back once it browns. Okay guys, my bell peppers, onions, it's done. So now we're going to take you over to the counter so we can get these baked beans going. Going straight into the oven.
You dig that?
Let's do this. Okay guys, so we're getting ready to add our baked beans. So we're gonna pour our baked beans in here, juice and all.
7 pounds of them.
The gas. No, let me stop. Look at that. Okay, so we're getting ready to add. And all we have little pieces of, that look like salt pork, but it's bacon. So these are our onions. Pour grease and all. We're gonna mix this up. Guys, Key is just sitting over there just smiling. That little girl can eat.
Yes, you can.
And to this, we are adding 4 tablespoons of butter. Butter, butter, butter. And I actually just like to just slice it because it's gonna melt in the oven. And this have to cook for, normally you can cook it for 45 minutes, but sometimes my family like for me to leave it in a little longer. So between 40 minutes to an hour. And you can actually melt this, but I don't know why I always like to just chop the butter in it like this. I don't know. It's kind of weird, but that's what I like to do. We're going in with our, thank you, cameraman. We're going in with 1/3 cup of brown sugar, and we're just going to sprinkle this sugar throughout. You could plop it in, you could just throw it in, but I don't know why I like to do this like this too. And some people sometimes to me just use just too much sugar. I don't like that. Oh no. We're adding about, I would say 3 to 5 teaspoons of mustard. So we're just gonna eyeball this. We all know that mustard gives food a tang. And this is open pit, thick and tangy. And we're going to use our same cup. Oh man, I threw it in the sink. Okay, so this is probably about 1/3 of barbecue sauce. So we're just going. And I'm gonna tell you guys something too. With this barbecue sauce, this is gonna bring this out. Sorry, cameraman, if I am bumping you. But what I was getting ready to tell you guys too, you can also add chicken to this, and it looks yucky, but it smells amazing. It's going to taste amazing. And I told you all, when you make these recipes, sprinkle some water in your face. Like, oh, I've just been cooking all day long. And your family's, oh, I could tell because the food is so good. And you and I both know that this is just really what you would call just a dump meal. You just had to dump. The hardest part you had to do was saute the onions and the bell peppers and the bacon. So we're going to put this in the oven, but not before we add the ground beef. We're going to add this, and this is about 1 cup of ground beef. I almost forgot, but my cameraman reminded me. Shout out to the cameraman.
The great Campino who the ladies love and the fellas want to be.
For being a cameraman.
And being the great Campino.
Yeah, all of that. Shout out to the awesome cameraman.
One of a kind.
And you just gonna keep on going with it. Okay, oven. Okay. I gotta finish telling these my family.
Yo, the oven's like that Uber that's been out there for like 10 seconds.
Yeah, like pop, pop, pop.
You're like, yo, bro, you just pulled up.
Goofy. Okay, so guys, we're getting ready to put this in the oven. If you guys choose to add more sugar, by all means, do that. I only use 1/3. I don't like super sweet baked beans. And I just like my food to just taste good. I don't like to overdo the flavor. Sometimes you watch a lot of people when they're cooking. I've been over to some relatives' house, and I'm gonna tell you, some of them kind of overdo stuff. I'm not talking about you, Key. But these are my baked beans. Guys, though, we're getting ready to put this in the oven for 1 hour. And we'll bring you guys back. Well, guys, my baked beans have been cooking for exactly 1 hour. And they're done. Look at that. Yes. I can't wait to dig in these. Like that, you see the bacon. Look at all that good flavor. Yes.
Yum.
He's so goofy. And my family is going to love these. Look at that. And see, they didn't stick. They don't taste like syrup. Good flavor.
Yeah.
I gotta taste these.
Yeah, me too.
So we're gonna put me some on here. Look at the meat. Look at that. That looks so good. Ooh, it's still hot, but that's okay. Remember I used to boil your food.
Yes.
Brown. This is so good. I feel so bad. I keep on showing you all these delicious meals. Y'all at home. Oh, bad cinnamon. I gotta put this down. Listen. Do these baked beans. Do these baked beans exactly the way you seen me do them. And your family is going to love these baked beans. I kid you not. Your family's gonna love them. Inexpensive side dish for Thanksgiving or for a barbecue. And you can also add chicken breast too. In case you want to add more meat, you can add other beans. You know, it's so many things. Red peppers. You can, you know what? We'll talk about that in another video. But guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to comment. And if you enjoy these videos, let me know that you enjoy these videos. But in the meantime, don't forget to check out Kaminator Gamez, KEE'S Way. It's a love thing. And last but not least, the Epic Empire. And let them know Cinnamon sent you. Guys, have a blessed day. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.